Hi guys, I'm audible. Let me know whether I'm audible or not. I'm audible to you or I'm audible. Not to delay the class. Let me start. Still 1 minute time is there. I request everyone to join. This is the last part of the chapter. ಇದು ಕೊನೆಯ ಭಾಗ ಇದೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ದು ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲನ ಮತ್ತು ವಕ್ರೀಭವನ ಅಂತ. I mean light reflection and refraction. Yes. Hello guys. Join fast. Join fast. Okay, let's begin the class. This is the third part and even the last part of the chapter. So last class till the refraction we have discussed. Okay, the next one is the absolute and relative refractive index. Okay, refractive index table also we have discussed in the previous class, and now relative refractive index and absolute refractive index. So what is refractive index and everything? You have got to know that. Okay, capacity of the bending of a light ray in the medium, that is what refractive index. Okay, but in a relative refractive index means between two media. I mean medium, any two medium it can occur. Okay, then absolute refractive index means absolute refractive index is nothing but with respect to vacuum. It is with respect to vacuum. Okay, so now vacuum in a sense you know very well that is 3 to 10 to the power 8 meters per second, right? 3 into 10 to the power 8 per second. ಅದು ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಒಂದು ವೇಗ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Yes. So this is the vacuum. Okay, this will take place in the maybe the radar medium, and denser medium. Okay, na? So any of the two medium. So refraction through a rectangular glass. Refraction through a rectangular glass slab. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. So light emerges parallel to incident ray, but it laterally displaced. It moves from rarer to denser and back to the rarer medium. So this I will explain here. That is the glass slab. This is one of the medium, rectangular glass slab medium. When light enters here, this is an incident ray. Just we need to draw a normal to that ray. Okay, normal. Then light ray will bend towards the normal. Light will bend towards the normal. So here this will, if you consider it as a real image or incident ray, it will go like this. But it is bending towards what? Towards its normal. Then once it reaches the next, we have to draw the another normal. That is, this is an n dash, and this is N. Okay, then this will bend away from the normal. This is the refracted ray and this is emergent ray. This is emergent ray. Okay, emergent will go like this, and these two will be parallel. The distance between this is called D. Okay, I mean D. This can be called as lateral lateral displacement. Lateral displacement. Okay, lateral displacement. You got it? So this is how the light ray reflects. Just rough diagram of this. Mirror to denser, denser to rarer. This is what the light ray bends, and this is how the light ray will travel parallel to the emergent ray, and this is how it will be. Okay, getting? Okay. Everyone are joining? Okay. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬೆಳಗಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಲಾಬ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಲಾಬ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಬಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದೆನ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇನರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಮತಲವಾದಂತ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೇರರ್ ಟು ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರೇರರ್ ಇಂದ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು ರೇರರ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಂದ ರೇರರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅವೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಈ ಕಡೆ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಓಕೆನಾ ಸಾರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅವೇ ಅವೇ ಅಂತ ಓಕೆನಾ ಸೊ ರೇರರ್ ಟು ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು ರೇರರ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ next one is refractive index refractive index extent of bending depends on the speed ratio into medium or a media okay that is nothing but n is equal to sin I by sin r sin I by sin r is equal to speed in medium 1 by speed in medium 2 ಇದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ that is nothing but can be written as n is equal to c by v speed of the light okay getting then so speed in medium 1 divided by speed in medium 2 ಅಂತ got it ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೋನ್ ಇಸ್ 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second is ಇರ್ತದೆ ಓಕೆ ನಿರ್ವಾತ ಅಂತ right in a vacuum it is fixed it is so we have to consider if anybody asks if any question will be there like find the refractive index ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಸಿ ಬೈ ವಿ n is equal to c by v ಅಂದ್ರೆ v ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೇ ಬಿ 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second ಓಕೆನಾ ಸೊ 3 by 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 meter right 10 to the power 8 meter per second ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 3 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ got it then total internal reflection ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಟ್ಟು ಆಂತರಿಕ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲನ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲನ ವಕ್ರೀಭವನ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಾರಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲನ ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಡೀತದೆ ಅದು occurs when light moves from denser to rarer when light moves from denser to rarer ಓಕೆ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಂದ ರೇರರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೇರರ್ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು ರೇರರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ So critical angle formula. So it is nothing but the incident angle causing the refracted ray to travel along a surface. Incident angle causing refracted ray to travel along the surface. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ if the incident angle is greater than critical angle, then light reflects inside denser medium. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಈ ಹನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇದು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಟೂ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೈನ್ಬೋ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಓಕೆನಾ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ರೈನ್ಬೋ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಿರಾಜ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಮಿರಾಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಿರಾಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ illusion causes the on the road there is a water on the road there will be a water that is what a mirage got it clear feels ನಮಗೆ ನೀರಿನ ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀರಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನೀರೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ that is what a mirage illusion ಭ್ರಮೆ ದಿಗ್ಭ್ರಮೆ okay so next spherical lenses spherical lens ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋಳಿಯ ಮಸೂರಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಸೊ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕರ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಕರ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಿರರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ this is the pole P, this is focus point, it is the curvature, okay, then from here to here it is the focal length, right? So when it passes, it comes to infinity, it passes to the focus point, yes or no? Yes, and it is the focus point, the image part of the focus only, right? So just like this in the curved mirrors we have. So then let's go through the lenses. So when light is incident on the curved surface and passes through the laws of reflection still holds true. Lenses are prime example of the behavior that is spherical lenses. Listen, spherical lenses are formed by the bending two spherical transparent surfaces together. ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ಯಾವು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಲೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ ಸೊ ಹೌ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಲೆಟ್ us see spherical lenses how does spherical lenses or lens form just consider there are two circles there are two circles ಇದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ this is one circle this is also one what is this so this has been formed see I know the diagram is not that perfect. Just consider this one is we will call as vertical center O. But compared to this one, this circle, I'll take the center for this is here. Center is here. And for this one is center is here. Two centers. Then the line passes from this. Okay, here this agenda will just so this is called the principal axis. Principal axis. Okay, now so optical center is. Then we have here we will feel at color curvatures. See, just for this point, curvatures just here one keep on F1. Here it is to F1. Okay, fine. This is not one minute. One side I'll write. To F1. Here it is F2 to F2. F1 to F2. So listen, ಇವಾಗ F2 ಮತ್ತೆ 2F2 are nothing but act as a curvature. Act as C. Act as bracket line act as C. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಮಿರರ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಓಕೆ mirror rules. How does the mirror forms and what is the rule of that mirror and everything. Right? Right? So, ಇವಾಗ as you know the rules and regulations of the mirror image formation in the mirrors. If the line is parallel, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ parallel ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ this will passes from the focus point. ಇಲ್ಲಿ pass ಆಗುತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು. But it is lens. It do not. It do not passes. Do not reflect. It will bend. Passes through the focus point. And another, if I pass the light ray, then it should go and back towards the and the image should form at the focus point. F2, F2 or F1 are nothing but the focus points. These are the focus points. Getting so ಈ ರೀತಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ image formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then if the light rays passes directly from the uh, optical center, directly passes from optical center, it will go straight, do not come back. Because as you know from the curvature, ಏನಾಗತ್ತ same direction, right? It follow the same path or revert in the same path, revert back in the same path ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Then if the light ray passes from the focus point, then it will be equal principal axis. Because in the mirror that is when the light ray directly hits passes from the curvature focus point, that will parallel to this one. Like this you have studied, right? Same cases. All the same cases will act as the same, but not in the same direction of the light ray, just in the opposite direction. Because it is passing the light ray and it is refracting. It is refracting. Refract matter. That is why lenses are called the refractive materials. Okay, refraction is nothing but bends the light. Refraction is nothing but bending of light ray. Refraction means bending. Got it? Bending ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Yes. So next. So best example for this one with the help of images. Lenses formed by bending two spherical surfaces bulging outwards are known as the convex lens. ಈಗ bulging outwards ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಎರಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಎರಡು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಿ ಒಂದು ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ. Right. So when the light rays parallel to the principal axis, all are meeting at what? The focus point. Really meet ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ನೋಡಿ focus point. Suppose it will pass through the center, then it will go straight only. It's principal axis, right? So this is the how the images forms in the and light refract in the lens. All six rules I had given next in English. And this is the next one, that is lens formed by bending two spherical surfaces curved inwards. Inward ಆಗಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಜೋಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕತಿ? ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕತಿ. Are known as the concave lens. Known as concave lens. So then when the light ray passes, this will diverge. Before that you have studied that it will converging. It was converging, like this. This is diverging. So that's why concave mirror and these are opposite. And convex mirror and these are equal. Means concave lens will diverge and convex lens will diverge. Concave mirror will converge and convex lens will converge. These are equal. Understood? Don't confuse, try to understand clearly. Clear? Yes, everyone. So okay, so this is what everybody knows it, that we are repeating every classes that is 625 out of 625 you have to score in the board exams. board exams, your state boards. Okay, and CBSE ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತವರು CBSE or ICSE 600 out of 600 you have to score. Okay, na? Because everybody have a capacity to do it. You have a strength to do it. Just you have to use it. ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay, keep studying continuously. That is, first of all, you must have a big dream. Okay, dream well. Okay, dream is very important. What is the dream? What is your dream? And chase that dream. Dream ಅನ್ನ chase ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ. Ready? Kindly chase the dream, then so that you can uh, go through that. Okay, na? Right? ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Yes. So hope that you all are studying well, and even though we tell that every classes, join your friends, join your friends, join your friends. Okay, let's see whether your friends are looking for a good classes. That just inform them that FL is looking the classes online. Okay, so you can then fine, study well, guys, and target this one. Okay, na? Everything is possible by human. Next, the important the term related to spherical lenses. Already important term related to spherical mirrors we have understood. So next thing is related to the lenses. Just we go through. Pole anta ಕರಿತೀವಿ. That is the middle point of the symmetric center of the sphericals is known as the its optical center. ನಾನು already ಹೇಳಿದೆ. It is also called the pole. Okay, ನಾ pole ಅನ್ನು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ optical center ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The principal axis the line passes through the optical center and the center of the curvature. ಎರಡು ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದಿರ್ತತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿರ್ತತಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿರ್ತತಿ. ಲೈನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ center. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಸ್ ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, a ray closes, paraxial ray closes the principal axis and the also parallel to it. It is paraxial ray ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ center of curvature C. The center of curvature, okay, the center of the sphere that the spherical lens was a part of the spherical lens has two center of curvature. Yes, lens ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದಿದೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್ ಎರಡು ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ focus point, the point on the axis of a lens to which parallel ray of light sorry, from which the ray appears to diverge after the refraction. Okay, refraction diverge ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈವರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈವರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಡೈವರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ showing the images are forming at ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಡೈವರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ, ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಫೋಕಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ then it will pass through. This is not base, ಈ ಬೇಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್. ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ converging. 6 rules are for converging lenses and converging mirrors. Okay, now yes. Next, one minute. Let me erase. So focal length, distance between optical center and focus. Optical center ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ದೂರವನ್ನು ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೈವರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಜ್. ಡೈವರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬೆಳಕು, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೈವರ್ಜಿಂಗ್. ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್, ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್, ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತದ, ಇದು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Understood? Yes. Next. The rules of real diagram for representation of the image formed. Image formation ಆಗಿದ್ದನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟ್ ಸಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋದು ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Just make it change. Understand? So the parallel, if the rays are parallel from the infinity, so images will form at the focus. They'll form ಆಗ್ತದೆ, focus will form ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay. Then if you keep behind or beyond C ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ C1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಟು F2 F2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, F1 to F1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬಹುದು, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. But better like this you can keep. Before what I showed that don't want is okay. Just uh, here F1. Okay, now beyond C ittaga, then image it will move away from the focus point that's between 2 F1 and the F2. Okay, next when I take the object at C ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ then image will also form at C only. Move from one step, second step, like here. Then when I keep between C and F, image will form after the F, in front of in front of F, in front of F. ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಮೀಪ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ದೂರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದೀಸ್ 6 ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ 6 ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿರರ್. ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? The next thing is when I keep at F, at F, uh, at at F, then this is what F. Okay, then it will form, image will form at infinity, because when you kept the object at infinity, image is formed at F, and now you are keeping an object at F, then image is forming at infinity. See, so vice versa it is. Vice versa, na? Obviously, when you take the object near to the mirror, images, lenses, images will form away. Getting? This is what in converging lenses, that is in convex. And when you keep between the point O, O means pole. Okay, then images will form the same position as here, same side of the lens. Okay, just is an assumption. Okay, these are the 6 rules of the lenses. Hope you have understood, because all the rules of the mirror has been explained clearly so that you can understand. See, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis passes through or appears to pass through the focus. So a ray passing through the optical center undergoes zero deviation. Is zero deviation ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ deviation ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಂಟಿರ್ತಾವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ. ನೋ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್, ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, it will bend, I mean diverge or converge. Okay, rules and ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು understand. I think you all are understanding that. Just let me know whether you're understanding by giving a time ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೊ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ಟುಡೇ, then we will be completing the 4 chapters of the science. That is, one is light reflection and refraction, acid base and salts, chemical reaction and equation, and life processes. In chemistry, 2 chapters have been completed, and in physics 1, and biology 1. Okay, Let me know whether you are understanding or not, guys. Okay. Then we will move to the next slide. Hope all the concept and the given slides or everything is clear to understand. You all can catch us very well. Let me know. Give by giving thumb. Let me know that whether you are understanding or not. You can give the thumb or you can say me whether you are understanding or not. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೇನೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೇನಾ ಓಕೆ everyone waiting for your comment. Maybe you are busy with your class. I think you are watching very seriously. It's okay. Uh, let me move for further. Okay. Position of the object and position of the image, relative size of the image. Okay. The nature of the image I have been given. See, when you keep an infinity, it will form the focus that is f2. Okay. Highly diminished point sized. Obviously, highly diminished point size. Real and inverted image will be there. Then beyond f1 in a sense, that's to f1 in the sense that's curvature. So between f2 and 2f2, okay, that is diminished, real and inverted. Obviously, real and inverted image will form because it is below the principal axis, below this one, it is forming. Okay, then at f2, if you keep, then image also forms at f2. Size is the same size, then real and inverted image. Between f1 and 2f1, then beyond 2f2, beyond 2f2, 2f2 in the hingle. Okay, then enlarged, real and inverted. Real and inverted image will be formed. Right? Right. And at focus, if you keep an image or object at focus, then image forms at infinity. Infinity means large or highly enlarged. Okay, then real and inverted. Real and inverted. Between f1 and O, an image forms on the same side of the lens and the object. Enlarged object we will get, then virtual and erect. Like this we will get, not like this. It is wrong. This will be the same side of the lens. Okay, we will try to get number for the understood. Understood, guys. Yes. So next, lens formula in the magnification. Lens formula in magnification. The lens formula gives the relationship object distance, that is u, image distance v, and focal length f, that is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. This is for lens, and 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f is for the, for what? It is for mirror. Isn't it? So mirror के मत lens के difference है just a sign, positive and negative signs. Yeah. So next, uses of spherical lens. Spherical lens ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay. See, spherical lenses are used in various optical applications such as spectacles. ನೀವು ಬಳಸತಕ್ಕಂಥ spectacle may be to resolve the problems of myopia, myopia, and hypermetropia, hypermetropia, hypermetropia. Okay, then also we can use the presbyopia, presbyopia, presbyopia. So these are the eye defects. These are the eye defects where lenses are used. Where lenses are used to correct them. ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಲೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, we will use the lenses to correct them. So then next one is by binoculars. Binoculars ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. And magnifying glass most important. Magnifying glass you have all have used it. Okay, and this will be used. This will be a lens where for the magnifying lens we will use it. Okay, na? Then in telescope also we will use the lens. Just comment me which is lens, which lens it is, which lens it is, which lens it is. Let me know. Hmm. Which lens will be used in the which lens will be used in the magnifying glass? Then telescope. Just comment it. Okay. The next thing is power up lens. Let me erase. We can comment. Sorry. Power up lenses. The power up lens is the reciprocal of its focal length. Focal length. P is equal to 1 by f. P is equal to 1 by f. That is in the diameter. That is sorry, diameter. That is the diameter. Got it? Yes, guys. Yes. The SI unit of the power up lens is D. SI unit of power up lens is the D. Okay, na? Means diopter. D is nothing but diopter. Nothing but the diopter. Okay. Got it, guys. I hope everyone have understood. Did you all understand? ತಿಳಿತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ತಿಳಿತಾ? Got it, guys. This is a very short class where complete chapter is completed, but without any no numericals. No numericals. Numericals are solved ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Numericals are solved ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. So I will take in the next class to solve it. Okay, after the 360. Let me take some examples. Then we will go through. Okay. Example solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ numericals ಅನ್ನ next class. Numericals will be in the next classes. Next class. I'll take. So let's we discuss about the numericals, how to solve the numeric problems and all the things. Okay, now. So let's come to the thought of the day. Thank you all for first of all joining the class. Okay, and believe in yourself. Okay, you can do anything. That every day is our slogan. Okay, that is you have to believe in yourself first. Okay, before believing others in your life. Okay, now first of all, you must be confident and believe yourself. For your timetable and time and attention. Okay, stay focused in the classes. Keep learning. Keep going. Dr. Abdul Kalam ji said that dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. Okay, then action leads to success. Action leads to a success. So dream and dream big. Okay, ಕನಸು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಕನಸನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ APJ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಕಲಾಂ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗೋಲ್, ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ. ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಅಂತ ಇರಬೇಕು. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಯುವರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಯುವರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ or working hard for it, you can't achieve anything else. Okay, and next thing is stay positive always at every situation. Be positive, be positive, be positive. ನಿಮ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, be positive. ಹಂಗಿರ ಸಾಕ. Always thinking positive things only, not to be a negative, not to be negative at any situations. Okay, and never give up. and never give up on your dreams. Then success is your destination. This should be your destination, not anything else. ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಕೂಡ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ತಿಳಿತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಗೈಸ್? Yes. So, first of all, you have to dream, plan for it, work for it, then persist, then achieve. Got it? These are the steps to follow for your life. Okay? Yes, guys. Once again, I thank you all for joining the class continuously without missing. Okay? Have a good night. Okay? Thank you. Have a good night. If you have any doubt, you can ask me so that we can solve and go through it. Hmm. Think no any doubts. Hope everything is solved. Okay, let's wind up the class. Okay, I will wind up. If you have any doubt, to be free, be free. You can ask the doubts. Okay, ask the doubts. No matter what you ask, maybe it may be a very easier one or a silly. Me, it's difficult to you. And in a difficult ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. You can ask me. Let me solve that. Okay. To be free, be happy to ask the doubts. Okay, because nobody will beat you, nobody will scold you, slap you, nothing will happen. Okay, just you are sharing your opinion regarding the concepts. Okay, now if you have doubt, you can share it, no matter. Then just give you just 30 seconds time to let me know whether you have doubt or not. Okay, now yes, after this one we will have the uh, 360 360 degree, that is chapter 360. Okay, then next I will take as will think whether control and coordination or a biology physics, that is maybe human eye and colorful world, human eye and colorful world, maybe I will take them. Okay, now so we will